In Europe, sentiments are quite mixed. However, the euro looks more attractive for traders than the US dollar. We have already mentioned that investors are preoccupied by the White House anti-China rhetoric. However, in Europe, the situation is also becoming grave as authorities are trying to prevent the second coronavirus wave, imposing tougher lockdown measures. Nevertheless, investors still prefer the single currency. The euro-dollar pair made an attempt to approach the upper limit of the range of 1.1700, 1800 and 1910. However, the pair slowed down again during the last 3 weeks. The pair has been trying to break the limits of the mentioned range. In terms of a technical analysis, it's a quite long period of time that may finally lead to a breakthrough. Speculators are tightly focused on the range, monitoring the pair's movement. If the price fixes above or below the limits, a cascade order execution may occur. As a result, the price may leave the range. On the trading chart, we can see that the pair approached the upper limit located at 1.1910 and slowed down, forming mixed Goji candlesticks. Thus, if the price drops below 1.1880, it may hit the levels of 1.8030, 8000 and 1.7000. The key strategy is still based on a break of the limits of the range. Traders can benefit from a local surge of activity. The British pound is also more attractive than the US dollar. The pound sterling is supported by the resumption of the Brexit negotiations. On the chart, we can see a sharp rise in activity after yesterday's stagnation. The quote made an attempt to reach the upper limit of the range of 1.30 and 1.3185. It's quite possible that the pound-dollar pair will face resistance at the levels of 1.3170 and 1.3185. After that, it may return to the levels of 1.3100 and 1.3000. The main strategy is based on a break of the limits of the range. Thus, buy deals could be opened above 1.3185 with a targeted level at 1.3250. Sell deals could be opened below 1.2985 with a target at 1.2885 and 2770. That's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and keep abreast on latest events with us. See you in a couple of hours on our channel with a new video.